Hey guys, this is Mr. Pogi here. On this series, we're gonna teach you how to clean a throttle body using carb cleaners. The reason why we're gonna clean the throttle body is to improve efficiency and remove all the gunk over the buildup of years and a sticky throttle that may cause hesitation when you start your car. So to begin, we're gonna find and locate the air boxes. Again, they're on the side of the vehicle. They carry the air filter. So on this vehicle, this Toyota Celica 1994, we're gonna pop off one of the locks here, in the very corner here, and the very corner here. Some vehicles use screws, and this one they just use tabs. So once we do that, we're gonna unplug this air sensor here, which reads the car's sensor of how much air, and we're just gonna move it and jiggle it like this. Once that is done, we're gonna go follow the hose here, and then we're gonna remove this bolt here, or just loosen it. Once we loosen this bolt, like any other car, you just gotta find the hose or the clamp that attaches to the throttle body, which is this. To know where the throttle body is, usually there'll be this throttle that activates as you press the gas pedal. As you press the gas pedal, this throttle opens and it lets in more air. The more air goes in, the faster your car goes. So now we're gonna loosen this up here. It's loosen. We're just gonna shimmy the hose. Once we shimmy the hose, now it gives us access. Now it gives us access to the throttle body and the air intake. This is your throttle body. This is how it looks when you remove the air intake system. This will let in the air, and you can open up the flaps using this. This will be controlled by your gas pedal. We're gonna spray some carb cleaner, basic carb cleaner. It's only a few dollars. Spray it in here. We're gonna clean the brim. We're gonna clean inside as well, and then we're gonna open up the choke. We're gonna spray some more in. You see all that black gunk there? We're just try and spray it down, clean it up, because it gets sticky. As you can see, all the blacks come out. It means there's a lot of gunk in here, and it can impede your your airflow to the car and cause performance issues. Give it a good clean. This is gonna save you at least $50 to $100 when they charge you, and it only takes 10 minutes of your time. Give it one more spray. See how dirty it is? Give it one more good clean. Give the cloth a deep clean inside. Pull it back out. This should help solve any shaking issues or hard starts for cars. Alright guys, now once that important part is done by cleaning up the inside, we're going to put everything back together. Just like any car, we're going to put the air filter back inside, make sure it's flushed. We're going to put the air box in. We're going to make sure this hose goes into the throttle intake, or throttle body as they call it. Make sure it goes in there tight. Give it a good squeeze. Make sure that's on. Close this back up. Here, 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 and here. We're gonna tighten it up here using this screw here. Hold it down so it doesn't shimmy down. We're just gonna turn it clockwise. We're gonna hold it from the bottom to make sure it doesn't move. The reason we tighten it up tight and snug is so air doesn't leak or the hose doesn't fall off during driving. Make sure it's really tight. Okay, as tight as it can go. Once that is done, we're gonna plug back the air ratio sensor here. This will determine how much air is coming into the vehicle. We're gonna pop it back into place. Once that is done, give it a good snug, and that's just that easy. Thank you for seeing Mr. Pogi today. That's how you clean a throttle body. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you again tomorrow.